Everybody in character?
I don't know what my character is.
We don't have a character. We are just us. Isn't that a show?
This is us.
This is
This
us.
is us, though.
Hey guys, welcome to Nathan's Detailing again. We got this amazing 2023 Defender here. I have John here with me as well. He went and picked it up this morning. John, what do you think about this vehicle?
I like it. It looks like a concept car. I was telling Ethan that when we picked it up, and it looks even better in the flesh than it does online.
What do we have Tyler doing right now, John? It looks like he's doing some prep work. We're doing a full front end on this vehicle?
Yeah, so Tyler already used the clay bar on all the painted surfaces, and now he's going to be wiping everything off with our alcohol spray to make sure that it's good to go for when we apply the film.
Why is that important?
We want to make sure everything is as clean as possible, so we'll use our clay bar, we'll use our alcohol spray so that when we put the film on, it's very sensitive to things that are underneath it. We don't want to have anything sticking out once it's on.
We are going to put the real XPEL Ultimate Plus PPF on here to make sure it really does have that protection so the customer doesn't have to worry about it anymore.
Absolutely. We can't wait to start.
It's called the Defender P400. What is that?
So that actually designates the engine. It's not displacement measured, it's just the designation that they use like Mercedes does. Just a random number, but it's for their 6-cylinder engine, which is both turbocharged and electronically supercharged.
Electronically
So
supercharged.
it's not belt driven, it's all electric, and it makes like a little bit more power, better low end torque, good for off-roading.
They don't have the third row in this one. I know my wife would want the third row. We have 2 kids. She thinks that we have like 20. I need a third row. I need a third row. I'm like, what for?
No, you don't, and you don't want that if you're off-roading either. The shorter the wheelbase, the better. So if you can make do with this, yes. There's even a 2-door version with an even shorter wheelbase than this one. So you have better breakover and departure angles on that, and it'll be easier to go off-road.
Breakover angles. What does that mean?
So that's the angle between the wheels when you're going over rocks. Typically, the shorter the wheelbase, the higher the car is, the better the angle. So you want to have as much as possible. So when you're off-roading, you get stuck less. You don't have to beat up your undercarriage.
I almost thought he was kidding and he was just using the word to sound fancy or something.
Which I
but
do
it does
normally.
mean something.
That's right. That's how I got through college, kids.
Do you think that they're going off-roading in this thing a lot?
I'm going to say that the most this probably goes off-roading about 99.4% of the time is a gravel drive.
They're traveling right now. And so how much do you want to bet they took suitcases to the airport with them?
I would bet a lot.
Yeah, I noticed here that there's a lot of scratches on this already. And so they're getting the full front end on this vehicle, but just noticing this, that really bothered me. We're gonna polish that out, put some PPF on there for them. Are we doing a ceramic coating on this one?
Yeah, we are.
So we use XPEL Fusion Plus on there, which is a 5-year ceramic coating, right? We have completed the PPF on the front end. I feel like the rocks are more prone when they're perpendicular to the road.
Yeah, and you get a lot of this design with off-roading vehicles like the Wrangler, the Bronco, the Defender. There's also the Toyota Sequoia, the Hummer. All these cars have a really flat front end, so it's a good idea to get it protected while you can before you get chips on there.
Now we are applying the ceramic coating on it. He's doing that, and we will actually put that on everything, right? We have one for the wheels. We have a PPF ceramic coating. Goes on the glass, on all of your trim and everything.
Everything is ceramic coated, but the coatings are a little bit different dependent on where they're being applied.
You can also get it on your door jambs. That is extra. At the end of the day, it's not absolutely necessary. You gotta find a happy medium with your budget. You know, you gotta figure out a way that you come to a budget that works for you. We got Tyler up there making sure that the roof is ceramic coated so that, you know, that's protected. I know a lot of people, you know, they park underneath trees, you know, and they get the tree droppings and sap.
And yes. We always recommend that you remove it as soon as possible just so that you can get it off there quickly and avoid any kind of potential damage from it being there long term. But this will definitely help it be easier to remove, and we do that on everything, not just the roof. thanks again, guys, for being with us on the journey of this Defender as we protected it with both paint protection film and ceramic coating from XPEL. Everything turned out very well. I hope the owner is happy. I'm confident that he will be. I hope that you will be confident that you can always bring your vehicle here too, and that even if you can't come, the information we bring you helps you wherever you are across the country. If you could, like and share this video, subscribe to our channel if you're not already. Click the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you're getting notified right away. It helps us do what we do. It helps us to continue to bring you this content here from Nathan's. And I hope to see you in the comments, obviously, and then in our next video. Thank you so much.